Typical. I've just come back from a holiday. I start doing a YouTube video and I look at my microphone and this has happened. Typical, eh? You know what? You wouldn't believe the amount of microphones I go through. It is unbelievable. I'm not going to tell you, well, I will tell you this story. I used to have a pet rabbit, right? I bought it from my ex-girlfriend when I lived in a flat and we ended up splitting up and it was a fight over the rabbit. She said it was hers because I gave it to her as a present. I said it was mine because I paid for it. In the end, I ended up paying more for the rabbit to buy it off her. Anyway, this rabbit became my best friend. But every single week, he used to jump up on my desk and eat all of my cables. The microphone, the mouse, the keyboard, the monitors. Literally every single week, my accountant used to ring me up and say, Jamie, why have you spent so much on iPhone cables or microphones this month? And I said, because I've got a rabbit. What else am I supposed to do? I live in a flat. It's not as if I had a garden. But yeah, if it's not my rabbit, it is my dog. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm on my backup microphone. I'm going to go out and buy every single microphone in the... You know what I'm going to do? Tomorrow, I'm going to go out and buy every single microphone within 100 miles of this house. And I'm just going to stash them all in my safe. So going forward, I never run out of microphones again. But anyway, we need to have a chin wag because over the last few weeks, I've seen a few traders doing some crazy things in trading. So what I want to do is I want to do some simulating, but just have a chin wag, explain to you what it takes to actually be successful, okay? So obviously Mogwai Reversal strategy. This is a trade that I took right now, I took this morning on gold. Let's just simulate GPUSD. We're going to go back in the charts and we're just going to go over some basic things in trading, okay? Because I see people having these crazy ideas or doing these crazy things in trading, and you know what? I'm going to tell you exactly what it's like, what it's actually like to be successful in trading, okay? Because not a lot of people tell you, you know, they kind of give you this false reality of what trading's actually like. I'm going to tell you what it's really like. So let me just press play on this simulator here. Hold on here. Okay. Let's just do it from here. Okay. Where's my replay button? There. Done. Okay. Now, being a full-time trader, what I'll do is I'll press this slowly like this and we'll have a chin wag, right? Over the years, this is crazy, right? Let me just pause it because I've been thinking about this a lot recently and it's mind-blowing, right? When you think about it. This is the only industry that we are in where it doesn't matter how much money you have, it doesn't matter how much skill, it doesn't matter how much you know about trading, you still can't make any money. Why? And I've always, for the last year and a half, trying to figure that out. And I think I've worked it out. I'm not going to tell you in this video because it's too long. I'll tell you another video. But it's a very weird industry that we are in because it's a very selfish game, right? When we make money, it benefits nobody else except ourselves, right? When people are losing, we're winning, right? Because you have to have equal buyers, equal sellers, right? So when we're losing, someone's winning. When someone's winning, we're losing. So when we are making money, when we are winning, the only person it benefits is us. It is a very selfish game. That's why, you know, I spend a lot of time teaching people because I try to bring positivity into it. It's a very selfish game. But when you actually think about it, right, you spend a lot of time on your own staring at the charts with kind of false dreams. You know, I've got this dream that I want to be a trader, but the reality is you're just losing money. It's a very lonely, it's a very depressing, it's a very selfish industry that we're in. And it's so crazy when you think about that. And it gets even worse because you're not supposed to trade with emotion. So when you have a good day and you make lots of money, you're not supposed to be happy about it. You shouldn't be happy about it, right? Because you can't trade with emotion. Same when you lose trades, right? You shouldn't be sad about it. We should accept it. It's weird, isn't it, right? You're in this industry. Doesn't matter how much you learn about it. You're not guaranteed to make money. It's very lonely. It's very depressing. You spend a lot of time on your own. And when you make lots of money, you're not supposed to feel happy about it. You should just accept it because you can't trade with emotion. If you do, that's bad. It's crazy, isn't it? And this is, I won't explain to you in this video, but it's so weird industry that we are in when it comes to trading. And I don't think anybody else, apart from you lot and me that watches these videos, or me that makes these videos, understands that. right? Because everyone on YouTube tells you it's all about Lamborghinis, it's all about big houses, you know, I don't know, trading on the beach, right? I don't know about you lot. I own a Lamborghini, and honestly, I realized it wasn't owning the Lamborghini that's made me happy. It was the journey towards owning the Lamborghini. You know, the poster on my wall and going, I'm going to buy this Lamborghini, head down, focus, learning to trade, learning my, you know, self-discipline, controlling my emotions. I preferred the journey towards the car than actually driving the car. Because now I own the car, doesn't really make me happy. In fact, I don't even drive it. It's in the garage at the minute, you know. And I can tell you right now, the dream that people tell you is just, yeah, I mean, the reality, it's like the false reality and the reality. The reality of being a trader is the complete opposite of what people tell you, okay? Anyway, back to trading. So obviously Mogwai Reversal strategy uptrend. Okay, so uptrend at the minute. You know, there's no buys. In fact, if I'm looking for a buy, I'm looking for a set. If I'm looking for a trade, I'm looking for a sell. So at the minute, price is just going sideways. And another thing when it comes to trading is I see a lot of people with trading going into this idea. Hang on here. There's a I've got a setup here, but I'm not going to take this setup here because it's at the top of an uptrend. Okay, obviously if I'm going to buy this uptrend, I should have bought it down here. Unfortunately, we didn't get a setup there, so taking here wouldn't make sense. You know, something like this there is basic common sense, isn't it? Right, you buy the start of an uptrend. You don't want to buy here. Now everyone's going to ask me, Jamie, how do you know that's the top of an uptrend? I don't. And frankly, I don't care. I don't want to know, right? But what I do want to know is when we first cross over. This is where really I want to be entering trades, right? The more or the further up we are on this uptrend, the worse we are of, you know, like here. Watch this, right? We're going to pull down now. See how we pull down, right? We're going to pull back, bang. See that? Right? How did I know that was going to happen? I didn't, but I could just tell. Big sell-off, pullback, right? MACD's gone overbought, Mogwai signal or alert, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm going to take a sell here. This is giving me the best possible chance. It's a trade with a trend. It's the first pullback. You know, now let's take this trade based off a calculated decision without emotion, right? This is the real trading, right? Because you need to do this over and over and over and over again. But you also need to understand that every single setup that you take isn't going to be the same. You can't use the same stop loss and take profit. You can't manage the trade the same because you don't know what's going to happen. If I take a trade right here, right? I don't know if it's going to go straight into profit. It might go sideways for a while. It might stop me out. I don't know, okay? So I'm going to go with, I'll give you an example here. I'll go for an 8 pip stop loss and we'll go for a 10 pip take profit. But like I said, as soon as the trade goes to a 1-to-1, I'll manage the trade. Okay, I'll manage the trade. Okay, I've got a second setup there. Okay, let's see what happens here. Don't stop me out. It's coming, might get stopped out. Okay, it's coming down. Again, what I'm going to do now is because price has gone sideways for quite a while. See how price has gone sideways for quite a while. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lower my take profit. I mean, I'm going to make it higher. So basically, I'm going to take less take profit on this trade because it's not doing what I expect it to do, right? It's experience, right? It's common sense, is it? You know, if you take a trade, right, and it's not doing what you expect it to do, you should close it off. It's common sense when you think about it, but people don't because they're always trading with emotion. They're always looking at stuff in like, well, I want to make money. I've sat here for an hour and a half. This is the only trade that I'm in. I need to win this trade. Again, I want to win this trade too. I don't want to, you know, keep doing YouTube videos, etc. Right? I want to win this trade, but I have to manage it, you know. Again, see how it's starting to come down now. Now I'm pretty much at break even. So if I can get a few pips out of this trade, so if I can get, let's see if I can get 5 pips out of this trade. Okay, let's see if we get 5 pips. Okay, oh, bang, done. Okay, just got 5 pips there. Just got 5 pips just there. I was going to see if we got hit. Let's see what happens here. But again, see how price is going sideways, right? Hold on there. Why am I... There's another trade at the minute. Okay, boom. Let's get rid of that one. Okay. So looking at this trade here, I got 5 pips out of the trade. That's all it did. Okay. Didn't lose money. Made a bit of money. But, you know, it wasn't doing what I expected it to do. And this, when you actually think about it, is common sense, right? When we are trading, our job is to give us the best possibility of winning trades, okay? So we want to get our stop loss out of the way. As soon as the trade goes in to take profit, we want to move that stop loss to break even. So let's just say I made 5 pips on that trade, okay? Give or take. Just I made a bit of profit, okay? But again, if you're trading 100,000, but in fact, let me show you my trading results. Hold on here. Let me show you my trading results. Where's my phone? Give me a sec. Try and back. Right. So look, listen, these are my results today, okay? I've had 2 losses. I've made about £100 today, okay, as you can see there, okay? If I go to the week, you can see I'm currently £1,400 for the week, okay? Just there, you can see all the trades. If I go to the month, I've made £18,000 for the month, as you can see there, okay? Done. See? Done. All of it. And again, that's the whole point of being trader. That's the reality of it, okay? And just to show you that it's a live account, hold on in here. Look, just show you it's a live account, done. Okay, done. It's not a screenshot, it's there, okay? That's the reality of trading, is that you have to understand that concept. Not every day you're going to win, right? I mean, you know, obviously you probably know me from a 98% win ratio. Yeah, right? When I'm on it, and I'm having a good month, I will kill it on the charts. I'm focused. I know what I'm doing. Bang, bang, bang. And then some days I take trades and they lose. I take trades, they lose. But again, it's knowing what to do. It's just experience. If you strategy hop every single time, right, and you're watching whatever people do, and I see it. Oh, hang on. There was a setup just there. There was a setup just there. Look at this one. Trend down, pull back, bang. Watch this. You ready? Again, so we're going to take a short position here. Okay, again, I'm going to get my stop loss out of the way. 10 pips stop loss. 10 pips stop loss. Let's go with just over, let's go 15 pips. But like I said, we'll monitor it, okay? We'll monitor it and see what happens, okay? So price is above the EMA now, okay? It might get stopped out. Let's see what happens. Yeah, okay, I stopped out. I lose the trade. So now I'm down 1%. Done. I might get another setup in a minute. We'll see what happens. But this is the reality of trading, right? This is what I'm showing you here. Hang on, I might get a pullback in a minute. Nope. Oh, here we go here. We're definitely going to get a pullback here. Come on. No. Damn it. That's annoying. Okay. Here we go here. I might get another one just there. No, that's annoying. Give me some setups. Give me some setups so I can okay, here we go here. Let's take this trade. So again, first pullback, okay? MACD signal, Mogwai Reversal signal, whatever, okay? We're going to take a buy on this one. So same again, I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to put a stop loss of, you see, on this one, a 10 pip stop loss is too wide. It's got to be a little bit bigger. Let's go with a 12 pip stop loss, okay? So 12 pip stop loss is nice, okay? Same again, we'll go for around, see if we can go for a 1 to 2 on this trade, a 1 to 2, okay? So see now as the trade goes up, okay? So what's that, 12, 24 pips, so 24 pips, okay? Now the trade's doing what I want it to do. I'm not going to close the trade off early. Why would you close the trade off early if you're making money? Right? You only close our trades off early if you're losing money. Okay? So this is where we move our stop loss to break even. Right? Bang. Move our stop loss. I've reduced the risk now. Do I get 24 pips? That is annoying. Okay? I mean, literally price went 22 pips. Let's see if we get 20. Let's see if we get a 1 to 2 out of this trade. Okay? Hopefully we get a 1 to 2. Beautiful. Okay? 1 to 2 done. So now I've made 2%. Done. Right? Done. Now you have to remember 2% of 100 grand is like 2 grand. There's 2 grand. In one trade, you have made 2 grand. I mean, people earn less than that in a week, and you earn that in one trade, right? But the problem is that when you're trading small trading accounts, that ain't gonna make your money, right? People don't, you know, if people got a £100 trading account and you're making 2%, you're not going to make any money. You're going to feel disheartened. It's just pointless, okay? But let me show you, right? I shared this in the group the other day. Let me just, I mean, there's a lot of BD members smashing it today. Look at this one. Look at that one. Beautiful. Mogwai Reversal strategy. Again here, Mogwai Reversal strategy. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. If we just scroll up here, again, another BD member took it. So literally what you're watching me now is, I mean, this one took a loss, SL hit. Yeah, today's just been good. Nothing special. Again, another one here. Look at that one. Beautiful. But what I wanted to show you is, what did I want to show you? Prop firms. This one here, right? With prop firms, you can literally scale up. So you can literally have £100, right? Look at this. Forex, this is just literally a prop firm search engine. So let's go for a £5,000 account. Hold on here. What's going on here? Forex. Why is my computer? Yeah, so watch this, okay? Forex, $5,000 account, one step, done. Okay. Now this tells me how much it costs for a hold on here, for a $5,000 account. Is that right? Let's go for the cheapest option. Sort by price. Done. Okay. So look at this. For literally 20 quid, you can go for a £5,000 prop firm account, right? £5,000, okay? If you're making 2% a trade, or let's just say, right, you can use this to scale up. You know, get a £5,000 account for 20 quid. Even if you fail 5 times, it's $100 for God's sake, right? Back in my day when I had to learn to trade, we didn't have prop firms. I had to do it the old school way, build up accounts like the old school way. But with less than 20 quid, right, you can go and get a £5,000 account. Oh, well, so what if you fail a few times? It's a learning curve, right? You can't go literally, I see a lot of people going straight to the £100,000 prop firm accounts and they're blowing them and they're losing them and they're disheartened. You can't go from 0 to £100,000. Where's the in-between? You have to have the in-between part, all right? And that's what I'm trying to say. Doing the little bits is what's going to help make you a trader, because you start learning during those times. You know, go for the 5,000, pass that, use the money to get the 10 grand prop firm account, then the 20 grand, and then the 50 grand, and then the 100 grand prop firm account. And by the time you got a 100 grand prop firm account, remember, you still got the 50, you still got the 20, you still got the 10, you still got the 5. Right? You got like over £160,000 in prop firm accounts. And if you do it smartly, where you do it across multiple prop firms, right, then you're spreading your money across different prop firms, which means if one goes broke, you can use another one. You know, if one refuses to pay out, it's not the end of the world. You got another one. Do you know what I mean? What's worse is where you put all your money in a prop firm account and then, you know, again, it's actually common sense, isn't it? You know, if that prop firm goes bankrupt or stops paying you, you got a problem, haven't you? But if you diversify and put them across different, you have different prop firm accounts, it's less stress. It's more easier to make money because you can go, 2% on this prop firm, 2% on that prop firm. It goes relatively unnoticed. There's no problem, right? That's why I have multiple prop firms. Well, I actually only have 2 prop firms. And I have multiple trading accounts for different brokers. And I just float between each one. If you start making 20% off one broker, you start getting problems. They're just going to pull you up on it. But same again, I'll take a few more trades with you. Obviously, this video has been going on for 20 minutes, so you're probably a little bit bored. So, like I said, again, we're just going to have a trading session. I missed a setup just there. Did that touch the EMA? Yes, I wouldn't take this trade. I personally won't take this trade because it's touched the EMA, but these are the trades I'm looking for. Okay, first, pullback. Okay, again, I wouldn't normally take that. In fact, I wouldn't take the trade. I wouldn't say I normally wouldn't take it. I just wouldn't take the trade. Okay, but see the difference in the first pullback. Okay, you get a few more pips. I don't know if this trade's going to go all the way down into a downtrend. I don't know if it's going to reverse and go into an uptrend. At the minute, we're going sideways. So at the minute that we are going sideways, looks like we're going into an uptrend. Here we go here. Here's my pullback. Come on, pullback. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, again, I'm going to use common sense on this one. Is this a strong pullback? No, okay? It is a pullback. It is the first pullback. It is above the EMA. This is a buy. Let's take the trade. But because it isn't a strong pullback, meaning it's not a deep pullback, it's literally trend down pullback, right? I'm going to be a bit cautious with this. Again, it just comes from experience, a lot of time, learning the charts. It's not difficult. So again, I'm going to go with, see again on this one, I'm going to go for a 6 pip stop loss. 6 pip stop loss. Okay, again, as soon as the trade goes to 1-to-1, I'll move that stop loss to break even and it locks in those profits. Beautiful. You see what's happened now? Now I've made a 1-to-1. What I tend to do is close off around 60 or 70, 80% of the trade. Obviously, I've just made 2%, so I've made 2 grand off a 100 grand account. Obviously, I've just made another 1%, so I've made 3 grand now. What I'll do is I'll just move my stop loss up. Okay, so even though I'll take a small loss if I get stopped out, it won't be a loss as in I'll lose money on the trade because I've made money. Okay, let's see if I can get a bit more out of the trade. Bang. See? That is just experience and common sense. It's nothing complicated about it. A lot of people try to overcomplicate trading. It doesn't need to be. I think what a lot of people do is they make trading so complicated, it ends up mashing and messing up your brain, and then you just don't know what to do. You get your knickers in a twist, and you're like, well, what do I do? Anyway, okay, so at the minute we're going sideways. Let's just take one more trade together because I'm rambling on again. Price is going sideways. We're back into an uptrend. Are we going to get a pullback? Okay, again, I'm going to get a pullback. Watch it. No, I'm not. Ooh, thought I was going to get a pullback. Again, price is going sideways. Okay, now we're going back into an uptrend. Are we going to get a pullback on the MAC? Oh, here we are here. Again, there's no trade there. I'll take one more trade, everyone, and then we're going to call that a day. I'm going to call that a day. So at the minute, we are coming down. Here we go here. You ready for my signal? Come on. There we go there. Oh, that's annoying. Touch the EMA. Touch the EMA. Hold on it. Hold on it. Price, come on. Come on. I've just got to be wary of time because you lot get bored after about 10 minutes of me chattering. So here we go. Here we're going to come down. We're going to come down. We're going to come down. We're going to pull back. Come on, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Oh my God, pull back. Give me a setup for God's sake. Okay, look how long it's been in a downtrend for. You see here, now if I get a setup, I'm not taking this trade, right? If I get a setup now, I'm not taking a trade because look how far it's been in a downtrend, right? It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's like, you know, I want to make money, not take trades. Okay, here we go. Here, we might pull back here. Ready? Come on. Give me a setup for crying out loud. Again, nothing here at the minute. Come on, push up, pull back. Definitely chose the wrong currency pair to simulate, didn't I? Literally, I chose the wrong currency pair to simulate. Okay, now we're coming back down. Okay. Maybe we're coming back down. Here we go here. Here we go here. Here we go here. Come on, pull back. Pull back. Come on. Yes. Here we go here. Watch this. I bet we get a signal in 2 seconds. Ready? No. Didn't get a signal. How annoying is that? So no signal. Here we go here. Now I'm perhaps going into an uptrend. Okay, we're back into a downtrend. Here we go here. Bang. Watch this. You ready? So I'll take this setup. Okay. It's been in a downtrend for quite a while, but I still like it. Okay, it's broken the previous low. So same again, common sense. See how it's broken the previous low just there? I will take this trade. I'll take this trade. I think this is a great trade. Has it touched the EMA? Nope, it's not touched the EMA. I like it. Is it a nice clean pullback? Yeah, nice clean pullback. Can't argue with that one. I'm going to take a sell. This one might drop a lot, actually. It might drop a lot. So again, I'll go with a 7 pip stop loss. 7 pip stop loss out of the way. So we'll just go for a 1-to-1. See how we win the trade. Okay. Come on, push down. again, price is going sideways. See how price is going to go sideways now? So because it's going to go sideways and I might get stopped out on this trade, what I might actually do as soon as the trade goes into profit, okay, so again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this to 5 pips. Okay, if I get 5 pips out of the trade, I'm happy with that one. Bang, done. Okay, so I will close this trade off now early. It wasn't what I expected it to do. I didn't like the fact it went sideways. In reality, it'd been in a downtrend for quite a while. Obviously, this one here would have been the perfect one because that's the first pullback in this downtrend, as you can see, but we didn't get a setup there. Obviously, this one here is slightly more further down, but, you know, did I do the right thing? Of course, it just takes from learning. Okay, would I have got 7 pips out of this trade or whatever it was? No, wouldn't have got it. You know, it's just learning, guys. It's just sitting there and learning. See, I might get another setup here. No, price is going sideways. Listen, I'm going to leave that there, but I hope you enjoyed that trading session. You know, I hope you enjoyed that little conversation. My name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.